In this session we will cover the further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode, and here you can see that we have declared few variables, and these variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website. And now once your variable declaration is done, now you can directly use the command RTVSYSVAL. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL and press F4, and there we are supposed to pass two values. First, the system value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where we want to hold the value. Now if you want to know more about this system value, you can press F1 on this field, and once you press F1 it will take you to this help screen where you will find all the values with their description that we can retrieve with the help of RTVSYSVAL command. So once you got the information from this screen, then you are good to directly copy it and just try to retrieve it. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. Today we are going to discuss about this value, which is QMAXSPLF. So it is mentioned here, maximum number of spool file that can be created per job. So it is the maximum number of spool file. Okay, now the second value we are going to discuss is QMCHPOOL, which means machine storage pool size in kilobytes. To specify the size in megabyte, the number must be followed by star MB, otherwise it will give in the size in the kilobytes. Now the third value we are going to discuss today is QMINUTE, which is minute of the hour. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So these are the three values that we are going to retrieve today. So just paste the value name whatever you want to retrieve along with the variable where we want to hold the output. So once these three lines got executed, we will get the output in these specified variables. Now it's time to print the value. So for printing the value, we are using sndpgmsg command. So just simply write sndpgmsg, and inside that pass the parameter by converting it to character, because this parameter is decimal. So decimal value we can convert by using %char, and if your variable is directly already in character type, then you can directly pass it. So once these line got executed, we will be able to print the output. So let's see what output we are getting. First is all 9, second is 419430, and then 50. So this is how you can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Math.